Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to do my FabFitFun Summer add-ons, so the things that I purchased from the add-on sale and my mystery bundle that I got into the add-on sale. So let's get into it. Check it out. A whole lot in the add-ons, but there were definitely items in there that I wanted. If you are new to FabFitFun though, it is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. You can sign up annually or seasonally. Regardless of what you sign up for, the day before customization, they drop an add-on sale. And really, all it is a market where you can go in and purchase items at a reduced cost. I think they say up to 70%. Some of it is, some of it isn't. I picked more this season than I have in a couple of the last seasons, which is ironic because I have fewer additional selections, which are the choices that you actually make in customization in addition. But I found a few things that I really wanted, and this I actually got for my mom. We've had and joked so often about the Lilly Pulitzer mugs. I have the set of two that kept showing up in the box as throwbacks and as a regular, but this I think, and I didn't bring mine up, I meant to, seems more pink than the ones that we got, and my mom is all about pink. This is definitely more pink than the ones that were in our boxes, and I just knew that she would love this. It is so pink and pretty. Look at the back of it. Isn't that gorgeous? And it has on the inside, can I get it? It has the Lilly Pulitzer signature and the flower that she uses. The signature is also on the bottom. It has the gold handle. I know some people have had issues with the gold handles coming off, some with dishwashing, some with hand washing. Mine have stayed intact. They are perfectly fine, so I'm hoping that that happens for her too. And I chose this for her thinking I would do it with her Mother's Day gift. But as you can tell, I did not get to opening my boxes before Mother's Day, so when I opened, and I said yesterday I would refer back to it, when I opened my FabFitFun first box, hold on, I have to reach for it. I got a mystery bundle that was the home mystery bundle, and it came with this. And it's pink, and it's the Lilly Pulitzer pink, and I put it back in. That wasn't the smartest thing, but look how nicely they go together, guys. So although you know I love Lilly Pulitzer and I love notebooks, I mean, what a cute little set that would be just as a brighten her day kind of thing for my mom. So I will probably put them together. And this was a $16 mug. I'm gonna put some of this back there. I FabFitFun myself into a corner here. Next out, just for me, no sexiness in this at all. This is the Woolsey's Soft by Nature 100% natural laundry detergent powder. It has lavender and jasmine in it with essential oils. I have several products that are supposed to be washed with natural detergents. I'm not sure that they're even supposed to have essential oils in them, but I'm willing to risk it. They're supposed to be cleaner, not have the colors. Like I use Persil on a lot of my clothes. They don't want it to have the colors or the scents like my Norwex towels. There's some microfiber things like that. So I like to keep a clean laundry detergent around, at least for that. But what I'm hoping is that I will love this and I will love the scent and I will want to use it on all of my clothes. I haven't found one yet that is the clean one that I want to use on all my clothes. I have moved away from the laundress, which you guys know I used, that's what it's called, right? Laundress. Since they had their whole experience with bacteria in their product, I have moved away from using that and I'm trying to go more clean. But the ingredients are a proprietary blend of 100% natural Castile soap, 100% natural coconut soap, washing soda, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, lavender, and jasmine. There are no other fragrances or dyes, formaldehydes, petrochemicals, phosphates, optic brighteners, synthetic preservatives, sulfates, ethoxylates, glucosides, betanes, oxides, just cleaner. So I'm hoping that with the scent in it, in addition to using it for the items that have to have this kind of thing, I will want to move into it with everything. And this was $13 and they say it is 100 loads. So that's also fantastic. Okay, next out, and I will show both of these together. It's a Lilly Pulitzer-a-thon. I got a headband and a scrunchie. You would think with the volume of headbands that you guys see me open on this channel that I just wore headbands all the time. Alas, I do not. Look how pretty that is with the pinks and the greens. I just thought like at the pool around the summer, it would just be nice. It is a $24.95 value, and it was, well, this is $19. Do you think I was paying that little attention? And it was really $19? I thought it was like $9. I should pay more attention. How cute is that going to be for summer? I think it's super cute. I like the knotted ones, although this one's a little pointier than some of them tend to be. But with my hair darker again, it really sticks out with just a cute little summer dress. I think it could work. I like it. Okay, the other thing that I got, and this was $8, I just looked. Sometimes when I'm in add-ons, I don't even know how much attention I'm paying. It is a Lily Pulitzer scrunchie. This is liable to get a lot more use. I do tend to pull my hair back more with scrunchies. I shouldn't. I use claws mostly because they tend to be less stressful on your hair. These are also wired, so you can make the little ears go wherever you want. But when I pull my hair up in a ponytail, which, oh my goodness, it's so much shorter now. I love that. I didn't even look to see where I was putting these ears. I've lost one in the mix. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys this, but I have no idea where the ears are. But that's what it looks like back there, and it's holding really nicely. The thickness of my hair, I had to go around 3 times, but it feels like it has a good hold. I think, yeah, it's in there good. I'm gonna have to take it out. Oh yeah, I had tucked one of the ears in, I see. Probably not called ears. But that is super cute, and I love the Lily Pulitzer look. And like with a white t-shirt, a pair of black pants, just a little pop of color for either of these. I thought they would be perfect for that. Also, I decided if I looked ridiculous in them, one of the girls would love them. And just for the record, they did come, I didn't show you this, they did come with all of the Lily Pulitzer branding. Okay, next out, and I have things to say about this. This is the Summer and Rose, let me tell you what it was called. And it's called the Hammy Tote Marshmallow. This is not the color I chose. The color I chose was gray. So I'm gonna take this out and show you guys, but I'm not gonna mess with it too much. I just double checked, and it's clearly a whitish gray in what I chose. And I chose it because I wanted it to go with everything for summer. And this won't for me. It's very pink, kind of peachy colored. I think this was the other option. I do like the tote bag though. It's got a real squishy, fun feel to it. Places on the sides where you could put drinks. It's got the front pocket. The front pocket is a snap, and it's nice and lined down in there. When you get into the inside, you have the strap so you can carry it on your shoulder or across your body. There's a back zipper. On the front, there are 2 pockets. It's got this pull, which you can use decoratively, or you could pull it tight to close the top up more. This was $24, which I thought was a really good deal for a tote of this size. So I am super excited to have it, but I am gonna contact them because I chose it in the white. So it would look more summery, you guys know what I mean? It would look more summery, and I hope that I can exchange this with them. I will happily send this back to get the white one. I fear perhaps it's sold out, but we'll go there. I just went ahead and looked it up, and yes, the other option, they call this mauve, and that was the other option. It clearly shows that I picked the one that they called marshmallow. Okay, and last, and this is a really weird thing I think probably to get from FabFitFun, but it's called Zab's Hot Sauce. My husband and I love hot sauce. We just love it. And I thought this looked so good. It says, enjoy your slow and delicious, made with rare dill peppers, signature slow burn, and naturally sweet heat. Grown in St. Augustine, Florida for 200 years, sourced from local farms. Doesn't that sound fun? Just a new way to try. And you could buy them in individual packs. I think they were $7 individually, and I think the set was $14. So there was really nothing to be gained in getting the set, except for you ended up with both flavors. This is the St. Augustine style, and then this one is the original. So we just love hot sauce. And I thought it would be a fun way to try 2 new flavors, something that we don't see in our markets up here. We're in the season where we're grilling out. We used the Blackstone last night and did everything out there. Oh my gosh, I love that thing so much. I love the cleanup from it. I love the weather being gorgeous and being out on the back porch and cooking on the Blackstone. All right, so these, I should say, these are my add-ons. And then I also had a mystery bundle in there. I'm not sure what's in it. I've tried really, really hard not to look at it. I had my husband take it out of the box. There are 3 items in here, and one of them's heavy. So far, that's all I know. So we're just, the first thing that came out is very light. Oh, it's a scrunchie. Just like the other one. Is it Lily Pulitzer? No. This is just a scrunchie. This is it's $39 now, right? Let me double check. But I think that they are $39 mystery bundles now. Yeah, $39. And my first item out is an unbranded blue scrunchie. I have to tell you, I'm not so far impressed. It almost looks like a buffalo plaid, but in blue. So I'll be putting this in the basket that I keep for one of the kids. But that is slightly disappointing to be my first of probably 3 items out of a $40, because yep, I'm rounding up, out of a $40 mystery bundle. A dollar store scrunchie. All right, next. This is not heavy either. This is a BSHHO006. The top says True Brands. That's all I know so far, is that it's from True Brands. Well, it's a cocktail shaker. Okay, that's kind of interesting. It's plastic. Can you tell I'm totally blown away by my mystery bundle? It fits on pretty nicely with the silicone, but the shaky parts, it's got like confetti in it. The confetti is red and green and gold, so I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna put it with my Christmas decorations, because I don't think that with the red, green, and gold, I don't know if it's coming across enough there. I've covered up all my lights in the back. I don't know if it's coming across there, but it's giving off serious Christmas vibes. Okay, better than the scrunchie, but still not feeling impressed by my $40 mystery bundle. Did you guys get mystery bundles? What did you get? And last out, if I can get it out of the hole that I made in the bag, it is absolutely the heavy thing. I don't know what it is yet. Oh, I have something else. Let's just cover this since I guess it was a hair bundle. This is the other item in here. It's one of those bracelets that you could put a hair tie around, but do the math on this. You guys see how little hair I have? These have always been really cute. I used to pick them up for my daughter because she had way more hair than me, but I will pass this along to one of my grandgirls. I mean, the theory is you can wear it as a bracelet, and then you also have a hair tie, and it looks a little better than, you know, having one of these around your wrist. But again, I would argue probably a dollar store item. Please do not open package with blades. This is sealed really well. How would they like me to get in there? It's a picture of scissors and a knife. Well, I am. So it's on me if it goes amok. I don't know how else to get in the box. I'm gonna open both ends, and I'm gonna try and just at this end poke it, and hope that I can just rip it at that point, which I could have done, except for their stickers stopping me. Okay, we got it. We have, it says just breathe. Eucalyptus and lemon. Soothe yourself in a vitamin-filled bath and find comfort as eucalyptus water restores your fatigued body. It is Epsom salt, Pacific sea salt, shea nut oil, coconut oil, eucalyptus and lemon essential oils, orange clay, and fragrance oil. That's all that's in it, so that is kind of nice. And then over here, this one seems to have been sealed a little less vigorously. I can get it flat, and it says, beautiful day, inspire. Fresh florals and cucumber. Find inspiration with the beauty of new days as you relax in a bath filled with scents of sweet orange and fresh florals. This one sounds more like me. And it is Epsom salt, Pacific sea salt, jojoba oil, great seed oil, blood orange, and tea tree essential oils. Wow, tea tree is pretty pungent. Cucumber extract, indigo, and fragrance oil. It is cruelty-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, handmade in the USA by Muse Bath. Okay, bath soaks. You guys know I try and be really positive, but I also have to be real with you. And I'm going to go ahead and give that one 2 thumbs down. I am sure, as sure as these words are going to come out of my mouth, I am sure somebody out there is going to love these bath salts or need a cocktail shaker or like the hair products. Somebody's going to be like, I would have killed for that one. I agree. I am sure for somebody, this is an awesome mystery bundle. It is not for me. I will actually probably even pass on both of the bath salts because I have, I'm pointing to where they are. I have my Lush products that I keep and the products that I get from Nikki over at Southern Fleek. Those are the things that I lean more toward if I'm gonna soak in a bath. So I will probably find these a new home, which I'm sure will not be a problem. They will not be going in a giveaway, however, because I think they're about 3 pounds each. That's expensive to ship. But yeah, that wasn't a winner for me, but I am really happy with the add-ons that I chose. I'm gonna go ahead and call the winner in this the hot sauces, because at this point, that is probably what I am most excited about. I think my mom will love the mug. I will absolutely use the detergent. I'm gonna hope that they can send me the tote in the color that I ordered it in. The mystery bundle, I'm gonna go ahead and give, for me personally, 2 thumbs down. You know what? That's what mystery bundles are all about. They are the mystery. It's just a game that we play. It's kind of like the lottery. You pay your money and you wait and see what you're going to get. This one just wasn't quite perfect for me. Actually, you know what I just realized? I am looking down at my table and I realized that yesterday when we finished my box, we didn't scratch this. And as I recall, last season after I scratched all of this and made a heck of a mess here, I said for you guys, just go ahead and scratch the bottom, let you know if you're a winner. So I'm going to go straight to that. Sorry, you are not an instant winner. Head to FabFitFun/me/get stuff for more prizes. So even if you're not a winner, be sure and head over to that website when you get your card, because you probably have to put information in of some sort. Also, and I said this last season and nobody let us know, if you're a winner, if you win anything, be sure and let us know down below, because I keep waiting to see if there's going to be a winner. All right. Thank you so much for coming by. Those were my add-ons from the add-on sale and my mystery bundle also from the add-on sale. I still have my box too. I'm going to go ahead and tape that. It came the same day as my first box. It took me 9 days. That is 7. That is 9. It took me 9 days from the close of customization to receive my boxes. I paid for rush. Don't get me wrong. I paid for rush. But when I don't pay for rush, since I have had this box, which has been years, I'm almost at the end of the cycle. I'm usually, sometimes I'm a full month after the first boxes start going out. So for me to have a box within basically a week, it's crazy. I will absolutely pay the $15. Okay, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you taking the time. I will see you tomorrow with my second annual box, and have a great evening, guys. Bye.